Hi guys, so today we're going to be making a flower board. This is all the tools that I've bought. Pretty much everything cost me about £30 and I brought them from B&M Home Stores, the Pound Shop and Wilkinson. And I went to the Cass Arts shop in Kensington to buy this and to buy these foam boards. And together everything was about £30. We're going to make a flower board today and I'm going to have my sister help me, aka my assistant.
Hi YouTube kids.
They can't see you. Come into the camera. Come over into the camera. The camera's up there.
Me and my sister got to make a flower pot, and my sister bought these things from Powerland and Kensington, and we got to make a flower pot. So we have the flowers here, and glue, and we have some things here to help us to make it. And we have bags, black bags, and tape.
And that's to protect the floor underneath.
Yeah, so the floor don't get messy and we need to mop it again.
And also, I bought these 3 different types of glue. So that's the sticky situation PVA glue.
Yeah, and
I bought the hard as nails glue. And I bought the stick it all-purpose adhesive. And that's because I couldn't find my hot glue gun. So hopefully these work.
And these are flowers, so we're going to show you YouTube kids.
Say something.
Hi, hi, this is a flower for me and my sister. So we just finished making it, and now we're celebrating. Bye.
So hi YouTube, this is the end results. This is the flower board that me and my sister Shania made. It's not completely dry, so one of the roses or flowers have fallen off, so I need to put that back. But this is the end results. Again, the whole process cost me £30, so it's doable. You can achieve this at home, but of course if you want a more quality board, more quality flowers, you have to spend more, or just buy from the professionals. So I wanted to give this a go myself, but I do intend to try another board again in the future, and to also buy from a professional so that I can have really nice backdrops. And I made this for my product photography. It was 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete the board. Probably took another 30 minutes to just fill in the gaps and to clear up afterwards. And it wasn't a long process at all, and I enjoyed it. It was a little bit frustrating because I didn't have my hot glue gun, so some of the flowers wouldn't stick straight away, but in the end we did it. I used the adhesive nail glue and the all-purpose adhesive glue mostly. I stopped using the PVA glue because that wasn't strong enough. So if you're going to attempt this at home and you don't have a hot glue gun, use the strong nail glue or the all-purpose fabric glue. And the white rug, just in case anyone's wondering, I got that from IKEA for £10. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.